Shark Mates, Vita Vixen and Slim Shetty
What's up?
here at Wrapsesh. We are on the coronavirus lockdown still,
Catch up on our vitamin C.
eating our vitamin C. We can't film with our camera guy right now, so this week we are going to do tea. I went too fast. It just came out of me.
Oh no!
Now it's definitely dirty. It's on the table.
I cleaned it earlier.
Alright, so this week we are actually going to be showcasing our best projects over the last 2 years on our YouTube channel. We got bikes, we got boats, we got beamers.
Beamers!
We got bleep that. Over this past probably year or two, we've been doing a lot more shows.
We've been doing a lot of shows.
A lot of shows. So not only our trade shows that are true to our industry, like RapsCon and SEMA, the NBM show.
Gotta go to those ones.
But also a lot of the local car clubs and car shows here in Arizona. Some of them global shows as well. We've partnered up with Hot Import Nights, the United Food Bank, Rad or Die, Future Collectors Car Show, tons of different shows. And
Local
with those shows, we've been doing a lot of car reveals as well. So we're going to kind of showcase some of our more custom projects and wraps that we've been doing, things out of the norm, just really fun projects.
Special ones.
We're really proud of. They're our crown
The fun
jewels,
ones, yeah.
our fun ones. So check it out. We hope you enjoy it.
You feel so far away, though you're close. Where's your mind at? I wanna know. A penny for your thoughts. I wanna know what's inside that heart of yours. Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin? I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know you, boy? Your heart, I don't wanna know. A penny for your thoughts. I wanna know what's inside the heart of yours. Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin? I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you? Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not. But better let myself give in to love, believe in us, no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. You're new to me. I don't know who you are, be like a piece of art. I want more, but better slow it down. Inside my mind is getting all too loud, I get scared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not prepared. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. You're 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 getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain.
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you. I still dream of you. But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go. Please do not let me go. It was years ago, but I still see your face. Freckles on your cheeks, how you talked in your sleep. We had plans and I was your biggest string, yeah. Then I didn't call for weeks. Thought the love wasn't for me, no. I still think of you. I still dream 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life.
Thank you guys so much for watching this week. We hope you enjoyed. Hey, you can't do that. Thank you guys so much for watching this week. Make sure to check out our daily fun on Facebook and Instagram. That is Wrapsesh AZ and Final Vixen Wraps. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrapsesh vibe. And we'll see you next week. Do the shark head. Shark head. Cute, Freddy.